Hey guys, welcome to my 14th Roblox scripting tutorial. We are actually going to be continuing with tables today. So get your script out as usual. Alright. Now, I'm going to be teaching you a new command along with this. Remember earlier in the tutorial series I taught you concat? Except I didn't actually write it, I just did the two dots. That's the one that's concatenation, I believe it's called. Those are used to connect strings. They can also be used to connect tables. So this is what you use. Concat. Oops, sorry. Table dot concat. Except there's a little difference. You put the table name right here, then put a quote right there, and put whatever you want to happen in between each of the things in the table. So let's say here's the table. Hi 1 1 2 2 3, I mean 5 whatever. I have no idea. Alright, how about over 9,000. I can't really think of anything to put here. And I guess that's it. Alright now, you gotta name your table. Let's say it's called table. Yep. Wait. LOL. We'll call it LOL. Alright. Now, table concat. LOL goes right here. And then this is what's gonna happen in between each of the things. Or you can just put a slash. Oh, and by the way, it gets dark right here. It's just like, it just has something to do with strings. It's not that important. It's optional. I'll probably get that I'll probably get to that in the future, maybe. Alright, just put a slash or and. Alright, now we're gonna bring this down here. Oops, added a V. Alright, now print now let's see what happens. I do not know why it errored. Oops, there's an R. Hi, and 1 1 2 3 5 and over 9,000. See? Cool, right? Alright, now, oh guys, I'm gonna be right back. I gotta check something in my last tutorial. I gotta see if I used math.random. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Looks like I already did math.random. I just didn't want to waste your time on it. Alright, so this is concat. It's really simple, right? Well, that's pretty much it. So, yeah, just for concat actually. Now I'm gonna be showing you some other things. I'm gonna show you how to use keys in a table. So I'm gonna call this my name is Nick equals quote Nick. Doesn't always have to be first. It can be second, third. These things are even optional. You don't always have to put it. Right now, if you want to put multiple things as just one table, use 2 square brackets. Use another 2 facing up the way to make it just one item in the table. So you can use as many commas as you want. It's still going to be one thing. So if you say 2, it's going to put everything inside of these. Just like a comment. Alright, hi. Oh, and everything's the same inside of there. The only difference is that it has no color. It's just black. 1 plus 1 equals 2, and that's gonna come out true. Print how about that base, the food base, whatever it's called. Alright, that's 3 things, I guess that's enough. And one more. 9,000 plus 1 concat. Oh, by the way, if you ever use concat next to a number, don't do it, because it will just error. It'll think of it as a decimal, and you know, decimals can only have 1 dot, so we gotta put a space next to it. It's not the same if you go this way. See, it's only just 1 dot. So keep them away from the numbers. Keep them separated by at least 1 space. Alright, so let's review our table. Let's see how long we've been in this for. 6 minutes, alright. Come on, get out of here. Alright, now the first thing in the table is my name's Nick. And by the way, if you use for do, well, you know, for IV thing, this is gonna be I, this is gonna be V, this is gonna be V, this is gonna be V, and so is this, and this is also V. Alright, now for IV in pairs, LOL, do, print, LOL. Oops, print V. Alright, now I believe it's gonna error, but let's just see. Oh, I guess not. Oh, by the way, it thinks of this whole thing as a string, except for this, because look at this. As you can see, it actually looks like I forgot a bracket, parentheses right there. They're not actually needed. You can also just, you actually don't even need, the quotation mark, except for, like when using instance.new, something like that, or a message when you're inserting something, or other stuff in particular. Alright, now look at this. Gonna do the same thing again. See? Hi. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Print. 9,001 is over 9,000. Now we're going to do IV. Now look at what happens. 1. Hi. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Print. I guess, oh, I'm sorry. Right here. You know what, let me just change this for a second. I'm not sure about some. Oh, there we go. My name is Nick. See? This is the I value, which is 1, or actually 0, because it's not an actual number. It's taking the place of a number. So this is I, that's the value. This is the index, which is V. Or the key or the value, whatever you want to call it. Okay, this is high. Alright, so this whole thing is 1. And this is, oops, this is 2. See? And I don't know why it did this thing, again. Well, anyway, that's it. Let's see how long we've been doing it. 9 minutes, wow. Alrighty, now let's see something. Oh, and by the way, guys, I've actually gotten a few new ideas for some of the next tutorials. We're going to be working on return. I'll get into that. It took me a while to actually figure that out, like a year. I even talked to some mods on, like, a Roblox Lua site. And, one of them actually had trouble with it. It's also very hard to explain. Even the Pighead10, his YouTube account, he Pighead10 on Roblox. He actually had some trouble deciphering, how to explain return, because it's actually a complicated method. I'm not saying he doesn't know how. I just watched this video, and that's actually what I thought, so correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not trying to insult anyone. Piggy 10 is a great scripter, I must say. Alright, back on topic. Alright. I have no idea what to put now. Well, I guess we'll just have to wait till the next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you later.